How to set keyboard language switching method to language key on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard setting, click on languages and types. So after click on language and type, so now here showing you language switching mode. So click on language switching mode. So now here showing you language key and space bar swipe is here. So if you want to set language key, so click on language key. So if you want to select space bar swipe, so click on space bar swipe. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set keyboard language switching method to language key on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.